Welcome back to Ranch Life Logic. Today we're going to talk about how we train our livestock guardian dogs. We have two young dogs that we'll be training today. The first is Val, or Valkyrie. We call her Val. She is a Sarplasnik. And the second is Angel. She's an Akbash and Anatolian Shepherd cross. We have a wonderful large male Akbash Anatolian Shepherd that we call Bash. Their bark is intimidating. This is Val and Angel. Val is a little brown Sarplasnik, and Angel is the white Anatolian Shepherd Akbash. We begin our puppies in a barn with an electric fence all the way around on the inside. The bottom wire is about 4 inches apart. We begin with a bucket of food attached to a post and the inside of the barn so the puppy can't drag it around. That bucket is eventually replaced with a self-feeder. The fence is attached to a solar-powered electric fencer. It's an old fencer, so it doesn't have a whole lot of power, but enough to make the puppies know they don't want to touch it. After the puppies are roped to the fence inside the barn, then we move them outside. Here they access the dog food by crawling under the panel. It's high enough that the dogs can get under, but the sheep cannot. To train your puppies while they're small, you need to have some really good sheep and some pretty aggressive sheep. This black belly ewe is sure tough on him, but she sure teaches some respect. See, the Val learned her lesson pretty well. It doesn't take very long and these puppies become quite attached to their flock. Now we'll skip ahead into the fall. This is Angel. She's grown significantly and she's doing a great job with a set of wethers. Val also has grown significantly and she's enjoying the big flock and hanging out with Bash. Val and Bash caught wind of something that they didn't like that was south of this flock. Bash had already made it over the hill and Val wasn't very far behind. It sure makes you sleep a whole lot better when you have these dogs out with your flock. You can see that Val knows how to get into her feeder. This is a portable feeder that we drag from place to place as we rotate pastures. We keep a mineral block on this feeder, so it makes it pretty nice when we move sheep from one place to another. You may be interested in how we built this feeder, so we'll do a video on it soon. We'll explain why we like this feeder and why we don't, and how we might change some things. You might be asking yourself, well, what kind of livestock guardian dog do I need? As stated earlier, this is Val, and she's a Sarplasnik. We really like her because she's good with the sheep, good with the other dogs, not quite as big, but very good at what she does. We had a lamb orphaned by its mother, and it wandered around for 2 days and we was unable to find it. Val spent those 2 days with that lamb, babysitting her and taking care of her. That's one thing we really love about the Sarplasniks. Angel and Bash, on the other hand, like to get out and patrol the perimeter of the place and look to see if there's anything trying to come in. While they're gone, our good and faithful Sarplasnik Val stays with the flock. They will be out looking and hunting, be gone for a while, and then return. We would love to visit with you about the different types of dogs that we have and why we like each. I'm sure that we could find one that would fit your needs. Thanks for stopping by. Check out our website to see what available dogs we might have or other livestock. We also have some good young ewes available from time to time and some hogs that might work for you. Come check us out. Let us talk to you. I think we can help.